Introducing the all-new Philips Oven Toast Grill. Cook your favorite homemade recipes, be it a cake, multigrain cookies, roasting tandoori chicken or grilling your favorite paneer tikka in the easiest and healthiest way. After years of intensive research on food, nutrition and culinary habits of Indian consumers, Philips introduces an OTG oven toast grill device with Opti temperature technology. It features preset functions for each recipe using the right temperature and time algorithm for perfect cooking results. It gives better crispiness, optimum browning and evenly cooked, sumptuous meals every time. The food cooked is more nutritious as opposed to any traditional way of cooking, as it retains the right balance of nutrients required to be absorbed by the body. This robust oven comes with 10 different preset menus to suit both international and Indian recipes like cake, bagel or gratin, tikka and bati or litti chokha. When you press the power switch, the screen will light up and the buzzer will beep thrice. This means the oven is ready for use. Use the function button to select the required menu, and default time and temperature are displayed according to the selected menu. You can also toggle these high grip knobs to get to your desired time and temperature accurately. Press the start or stop button to start cooking. The unique Cool Touch handle makes sure that your hands are safe every time you want to look. It has a chamber light so you can easily monitor your food through the toughened glass door. It comes with inbuilt accessories to facilitate daily cooking. Let's take a look at the accessories. Place the crumb tray in the bottom to collect fallover and clean it easily once you're done. Wire rack for all your favorite grills. Baking tray for bagel, pizza, toast and cookies. And tongs to remove trays easily. Rotisserie rod for cooking your favorite tandoori full chicken. We assure you that Philips OTG will make cooking easier. To bake a cake, place your cake mold on the wire rack and choose the bake function. What you get is a uniformly baked cake. Who doesn't like juicy, soft, evenly cooked roasted chicken? Use the rotisserie rod and the roast function. With the tongs, remove once done. We have a specific cookies function to give the right time and temperature for your favorite cookies. What about healthy grilled prawns? We have a grill function just for that, ensuring you fully cooked meat with an appetizing appearance. How about tikkas? This Indian OTG has a tikka function which helps you to prepare a variety of tikkas. Use toast function to make a quick toast before you head out in the morning. Worried about ideal preheat temperature and time? Philips OTG has unique preheat function programmed to set the ideal temperature for preheating. The possibilities are endless with the Philips Oven Toast Grill. So, get creative. Savor the joy of cooking in the most nutritious way. Happy cooking!
Innovation in you. Philips.